Debate, question, moot. What do coaches and fans want of their football teams? For the teams to play attractive and attacking football, or for the teams to win football games and win titles? For me, this is a ludicrous argument, aka a waste argument. One of the first things I learned about the game of football is that an ugly win is better than a pretty defeat. We would all love it if our teams could win every single game while playing attacking and attractive football. But anybody who says that it is more important for their team to play attractive football than to win games and titles should have get locked up on them dash for the game. In Jose Mourinho, for example, with Manchester United playing his ugly and defensive football and ends up winning the EPL title, we would not hear dog bark about attractive football. Likewise, if Mourinho had Manchester United playing attractive, electrifying, and attacking football and ends up fourth or third or even second in the league, all hell would break loose. The same fandom would have cut off him head, say them want titles, titles, and more titles. For people who are real fans of them team, attractiveness and attacking style and tiki-taki football count for nothing unless the team is winning. Let me put it this way. On a scale of 1 to 10, attractive and attacking football would value about 2 out of 10, while winning games and winning titles would be valued at about 9.5 out of 10. I mean, I talk for real fans of football. Yes, for real fans. We are talking about football fun, man.